Hello from Sergio Vini. Inside my account on my iPhone, as you can see, available balance is $5,230. Now we're going to see this strategy. As you can see, we have two campaign level 7 active and one campaign hold. Okay, so one campaign after 12 days has 7 days holding, and then they're going to release the fund. So we can have three campaigns. Okay, so as you can see there. Its available balance is 5,230. On the wallet, it's another 7K there. And then if we go, then we got total earn nearly 22,000. Okay. So what we're gonna do, because we always want to keep three campaigns active, which they create us some. We're going to buy a campaign, okay, another campaign, because we got the found there, buy campaign. We go down there, level 7. We're going to click on the purchase, buy a campaign, okay. Now we have to put aside whatever you must put aside. Even if you haven't got a site, put a charity site or whatever, your app site. I'm gonna put a site in, because the business is sharing websites, okay. So I'm gonna put aside, gonna put the title. You can put any website from any countries, because the people here are from all over the world, okay. So now you're going to click on confirm purchase. Now they ask you if you're sure. Yes, I'm sure. And now I have to go back to the dashboard, because I can start to click the ads, okay. And you see now the campaign active are 3. If we go down, we got 3 campaign active, and the other one is on holding. After 7 days, they're going to release the fund in my available balance. Okay. So right now, you see the view there. I'm going to click the ads. I'm going to go down. We got 20 ads here, 15 seconds each. I'm going to click one. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So each ad has only 15 seconds. Okay, see the countdown is on. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As after, right away you earn $13.50. Those money, they're going to land in your account. Okay, so it's very easy. Gonna click on another one. You can see 13, 12. We got 20 of those, and each day we click on it. It takes 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Every time we click on it, we earn 13.50 for 12 days, okay? Then we got 7-day holding, and then the money they are releasing our available funds. So this is really easy. If you got a finger, I believe you got 10 finger, you can do that. So you can see those are 3 campaigns. Each campaign every day you got earn you 270, so the 3 is 810 a campaign, okay. So this is really easy. Anyone can do it, okay. We got some upline. After 3 months they earn 100K already. This is but must put a disclaimer, but those are the facts, okay. So if you don't know ClickBaitPays, on the description you got my link, my portal, with every video that show you step by step how you can start. You can even register for free. Okay, bye for now.